Your Ziro kit utilizes Wi-Fi for the modules to connect to each other and also to the glove and also to your phone or any other applications. The modules should be able to automatically connect to each other without having any problems and keep working for as long as you're playing with. But sometimes the connection may take long to connect or even drop a couple of times. To fix that, you can just click to fix it. So the idea is that you can just click once any module, you're gonna see the module blink in white a couple of times and the connection is gonna be reestablished. That's to take care of reconnecting your module. Similarly, if you want to connect to the glove, you can just click once any module and you should be able to see when it goes to white. Now I can control with the glove